Introducing Fiximer's A, B, C grade solid European oak panels that are prime oak boards that are the ultimate choice for your next project. Whether you're crafting furniture, building cabinets, designing flooring, or creating custom wine caskets, our oak panels deliver unmatched durability. Available in 20 and 40mm in thickness and a variety of lengths, these panels are perfect for commercial applications, with each board designed to be trimmed on all sides for a flawless finish. The A grade side of the panel is pristine with a clean, smooth surface showcasing natural beauty of European oak. Ideal for a wide range of uses from furniture, wardrobes and of course stair treads. Our oak panels bring warmth, strength and versatility to any space. For sizing and dimensions, please see the product listing on our website.
Fiximer is the UK supplier in staircase renovation components. We take immense pride in delivering the highest quality products with swift, secure delivery and payment. Our responsive and friendly customer service team is always ready to assist you every step of your journey. With our extensive range of staircase components in stock, you can start planning your future renovation. So why wait? Renovate.